Is that even dancing? It looks like you're having a seizure. It looks like some Michael Jackson on crack stuff. Here comes the booty shaker with the baby stroller. Alright, I think the song's over. Dan, stop being goofy. Nah, nah, nah. Get some like Justin Bieber moves. There we go. The Running Man. Back up, I can't get your whole body on the video. And there's the seizures. You gotta juggle. Say yeah, baby. I can't see you over there. Nah, nah, nah. Oh my God.
Can you show this to my dad?
I think your dad would probably have a heart attack. Just remember, when you get a girlfriend, this is going to come out, and I'm going to show it to her.
That's funny!
So she can laugh at you. I can take it to Rio, Rio. Nah, nah, nah. You guys are crazy. Okay, all done.